Hey there, welcome back to Power Stroke Maintenance, and today I'm going to do a quick video with a flex comparison on the PMF adjustable track bar versus Ford's OEM track bar. I had a subscriber comment asking if I thought that death wobble was potentially caused by the flex in the Ford OEM track bar versus the PMF track bar. So I'm going to play a video here that shows the steering wiggle and what happens to the track bar when you wiggle the steering back and forth and how it flexes. Now, after watching that, I think you probably got the similar conclusion to me, is that yes, the PMF track bar flexes less, but I think it's kind of a negligible amount. Usually, and this is what I've heard from techs who work on these Fords, the main issue with death wobble is not the actual metal rods themselves, so like the actual rod on the drag link or the rod on the track bar or the rod on the tie rods. It's the joints, and it's the poor quality of the Ford ball joints, the swivels, and where the assemblies are connected that is really the issue and what causes death wobble. Now, yes, I'm sure the PMF material used for their rod and the connecting rod that holds the two joints on is superior to Ford OEM, but it's still designed to flex a little bit when it's under load. I think the joints, when you look at the joints on the PMF track bar, are far superior to Ford OEM. They're these huge Heim joints. They have metal everywhere. They have rubber boots to keep dirt out. They're designed to last, and I think in the last few years Ford has been trying to cut costs on their trucks and on their assembly, and so they put more plastic in the engine bay, and surprise surprise, they cheap out on the quality of the joints in the steering components. So there you have it. I don't think that the flex in the track bar causes death wobble. I think it's the joints and the poor joint quality. So I guess take from that what you will. I really appreciate the individual that asked this question because it is kind of thought-provoking. It's like, could the actual flex in the track bar, because it's like stabilizing the entire axle, be the cause of death wobble? And I don't think so. It definitely flexes more than the PMF bar, but I think the joints are to blame when you look at Ford steering and the issues that these brand new Alumiduties have with death wobble. So that's my take. If you disagree, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Appreciate you watching this quick video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.